Do you ever ponder, what if we are all connected in a way that transcends physical boundaries and distances? This is the law of oneness, a concept that suggests every particle in the universe, every life form, every thought, is part of a single, all-encompassing energy field. Consider the tale of a farmer in a small village who sows seeds in his field. Each seed, seemingly isolated in the soil, is in reality connected to the elements around it. The sun, the rain, the wind, the earth, all contribute to the growth of the seed. The seed's existence is not solitary but interwoven with the existence of the entire ecosystem. This is a small glimpse into the law of oneness. Or let's think about the internet, a modern marvel that has brought the world to our fingertips. A teenager in Tokyo can share a laugh with a stranger in New York over a funny cat video. An idea, a thought, a feeling transcends thousands of miles in an instant, creating a connection, a oneness. This is the law of oneness in action. And what about our very own bodies? Each cell, each organ performing its function in unison to keep us alive. The heart does not beat for itself. The lungs do not breathe for themselves. Each part works for the whole, a perfect example of the law of oneness. The law of oneness isn't just a philosophical concept. It's an observable reality, a fundamental principle that underlies our existence. It suggests that we are all interdependent, interconnected. Each action, each thought, each breath has a ripple effect, influencing the whole. When we understand the law of oneness, we realize that we are never alone. We are part of a grand cosmic dance, a symphony of existence. We understand that the choices we make, the love we give, the kindness we show, doesn't just affect us or those immediately around us. It sends out ripples into the universe, touching lives we may never know about. In conclusion, the law of oneness is the realization that we are all interconnected, that we are all one. It's the understanding that we are all part of the same energy field, the same universal consciousness. It's the understanding that we are all part of the same grand cosmic dance. So the next time you feel alone or isolated, remember the law of oneness. Remember that you are part of something much larger than yourself. Remember that every action you take, every thought you have, every breath you take, influences the entire universe. You are not just a single drop in the ocean, you are the ocean in a single drop.